In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Meet link in mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a Google Meet link from your phone and share it with anyone so they can join your meeting at the right time without you having to start the call immediately. First, open the Google Meet app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use, especially if you manage multiple profiles for work and personal use. On the main screen, look for the New button. It usually appears prominently near the bottom of the screen. Tap it to bring up your meeting options. If you don't see the New button, give the app a moment to load or check that you're on the Meet Home tab. After tapping New, you'll see three options: Create Link, Schedule, and Group Call. For this tutorial, choose Create Link. This option instantly generates a unique Google Meet link without starting a live meeting. It's perfect when you just want a link to share ahead of time or when you're coordinating with people across different time zones and want them to have the join details ready. Selecting Create Link does not notify anyone and doesn't launch a call. It simply creates a reusable meeting link that you control. Once the link appears on your screen, you can share it right away. You'll typically see options to copy the link to your clipboard or use your phone's share menu to send it through your preferred app, like email, chat, or SMS. If you choose copy, open your messaging app and paste the link into your conversation. If you use the share option, select the app and recipient, then send. Consider adding a short message with the date, time, and any agenda details so your invite is clear. You can also save the link in a note or pin it in a chat for quick access later. A few tips to keep things smooth. The link will stay valid until you no longer need it, but participants may need to wait for you to admit them depending on your settings and organization policies. If someone has trouble joining, remind them to use the exact link you shared and to be signed in if your organization requires it. When it's time to meet, open the same link yourself from the app and you'll be in control as the host. That's it. Open the Meet app, tap New, choose Create Link, and share. Simple, fast, and reliable for classes, client calls, or quick team huddles. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.